Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is hierarchical inheritance. This is another type of inheritance in Python. More than one child class is derived from a single parent class. In other words, we can say one parent class and multiple child classes. This is very simple. Let's create a vehicle as a parent class and two class car and bus as a child classes. Okay, minimum wheel are 4. We can create a simple method, then we can print number of vehicle wheels self dot minimum wheels. Then we have to create a child class. We are going to inherit vehicle base price same $6,000. Car base color we can say white. Then we can create a simple function to get the details. Here we can print simple message similar to this and say car base price and car base color. Car base price, car base color. The base price, car base color. Very simple. A new child class that is called a bus. Okay, this bus instance may have a number of seats more than car or any other vehicle. Let's say number of seats we can define, and even we can say the bus base price would be, let's say, $2 lakh, right? Then we can define a simple function to print this information. Get bus details, number of seats and the price of the bus. The bus base price and bus number of seats would be this one. Okay, very simple, wherein we have one parent class as a vehicle, and we have another type of drive class which belongs to a vehicle, that is called a car. That is other derived class which inherits vehicle. It is a different type of vehicle. We can say it's a bus, and bus has a different type of properties, the number of seats. I need to create a car object, then we can say c1 car. Okay, we can execute c1 dot. You can say I can get the attributes from vehicle class from this instance, car instance. I can use it, or I can use its method execute car details one. Let's run the program first. So you see, so this is the instance of car. Here we are saying number of wheels from the vehicle base class are 4, right? Then we have car base features, base price and the color. Let's say you want to create a instance of the bus, then you can say c2. You can get anything which comes in the hierarchy, right? So c2 dot get vehicle details, you can say c2 dot get bus details. This is the same thing, but both instances are different, which inherits the vehicle class from the top. Let's run the program, and you see this information belongs to the bus object. You see, bus price, number of seats, and this information belongs to the car instance. Okay, to make it separate we have to decorate like bus. Okay, so this is the car, this is a bus. We can pass on the number of wheels from bus constructor to the parent class. So how we can do it? So we can first create a constructor of bus class, right, in it. Then we can expect one parameter wheels. In this constructor we can call the constructor of base class. So how? Number of wheels we can pass on how many wheels will be passing from the bus instance. Okay, all set. Now let's run the program again. So this time you would see the number of wheels for the bus would be set into the base constructor of the base class, right? Let's run the program. On the bus we have to provide, let's say this is number of wheels for bus should be 6. Let's run again. Okay, you see, so number of wheels for the bus would be 6 into the base class, and for the cars we have 4 number of wheels. This is called a hierarchical inheritance.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.